Let's talk about how Heinz started, from humble beginnings with horseradish to the ketchup we all know and love. Henry John Heinz, whose parents came from Germany, started his food business when he was really young. At just 8 years old, he was already a little businessman selling veggies from his family's garden in Sharpsburg, Pennsylvania. By the time he was 12, he got bigger, selling his mom's horseradish sauce. Heinz officially started his first company in 1869. He teamed up with L.C. Noble to make horseradish. Their company, Heinz Noble & Company, did really well, really fast. But sadly, it went bankrupt after just a few years. Heinz didn't give up. He started F&J Heinz with his brother and a cousin in 1876. They launched their famous tomato ketchup that same year. This was a big moment. The company would become super famous for this condiment. Let's talk about how Heinz Tomato Ketchup became so popular. Heinz's ketchup was way better than other ketchups. Back then, lots of ketchups were watery and thin, but Heinz's recipe used ripe red tomatoes. This made it thicker and tastier. Heinz was also really good at marketing. He used clear glass bottles so everyone could see how good his ketchup looked. Other companies used bottles you couldn't see through to hide their not-so-good-looking ketchup. Customers could see the bright red color of Heinz ketchup, and that made them trust it and want to buy it. The company was also very careful about making sure every bottle tasted the same and was good quality. Heinz used the slogan 57 varieties, which was catchy and easy to remember, even though they made way more than 57 products. Heinz's clever marketing and focus on quality made Heinz Tomato Ketchup a favorite all over the country. Becoming successful wasn't always easy for Heinz. In the early 1900s, food safety was a big problem. There weren't any rules, and lots of food companies used things in their food that were bad for you. Heinz wanted to change this, so he supported the Pure Food and Drug Act. This important law, passed in 1906, made it illegal to sell food and drugs that were bad or had the wrong labels. Because Heinz supported this law, people trusted his company even more. Another tough time came during the Great Depression. People didn't have much money, so they stopped buying as much. Heinz made smaller, cheaper bottles so people could still afford his products. From Pittsburgh to the whole world, Heinz is now a huge food company. Their famous ketchup is sold in over 140 countries and is still loved everywhere. Heinz's focus on quality, new ideas, and good marketing made them famous in the food world. Heinz makes way more than just ketchup. They make beans, pasta sauces, baby food, and lots more. You can find Heinz products in kitchens all over the world. Heinz's story shows us how important it is to have good ideas, work hard, and always make good quality products.